More than 50% of the population in our society is currently dealing with obesity and being overweight, including Angela, who has been struggling to lose weight. With our lifestyle, it is very difficult to resist food cravings. She tried everything to lose weight, but nothing seemed to work. Feeling uncomfortable with her body and frustrated to work out. One day, Angela decided to browse in search of a weight loss product. That's when she stumbles upon the Swiss Diet Kit website that offers a weight loss solution by controlling appetite using a clinically proven approach, which seemed like the answer she had been searching for. After looking through the Swiss Diet Kit website, she decided to give it a try. Following weeks, she was feeling highly motivated to prioritize her health. And the best part was that her food cravings had significantly reduced. Her only regret was not having tried the Swiss Diet Kit sooner. Like this, we have received countless success stories from people who tried the Swiss Diet Kit and experienced a kickstart to their health transformation.
I try to work out as much as I can, but what and how you eat is just as important. They say to lose weight, you not only have to eat healthy, you also have to reduce your portion size.
You say that as if it was so simple.
With the Swiss Diet Kit, it
Have
is.
a Swiss Diet Kit chew with a glass of water 30 to 40 minutes before a meal. And that's the biggest Swiss secret to long-term weight loss. It's really that easy.
And not only is it absolutely delicious, it also has less than 15 calories per chew. It's a no-brainer, right? Would you like to know how it works? It's simple. Just like spaghetti, it expands in water. Swiss Diet Kit Chew expands in your stomach when you eat it with a glass of water. So, by the time you're ready to sit down and eat, you'll already feel full, so you won't eat half as much as you usually do without feeling deprived or restricted. It's 100% natural, made in Switzerland, clinically proven, and developed by a medical doctor. Now, what more could you want? The Swiss Diet Kit is the perfect tool that you've been waiting for to make that lifestyle change.
Get your Swiss Diet Kit made in Switzerland, here and now. Take advantage of this unique limited time offer before it's too late. Your future self will be grateful to you. But wait, if you call now, you can buy 2 months supply and we will give you 1 extra month totally free of charge.
Well, as today I lost 6 kilos. My goal is to reduce 10 kilos, so I will continue this amazing program. The taste is exceptional. I did not expect that this sweet candy can help me to lose weight. I feel amazing right now. Swiss Diet Kit helped me truly to reduce my weight. And I will continue a bit more.
Usually, you are consuming a complete meal that you would normally eat. But with Swiss Diet Kit, you will only eat half of what you would usually eat. By reducing your serving size with the Swiss Diet Kit, you can lower your calorie intake by up to 50% per meal, giving you better control over the number of calories you consume. To get the best results from the Swiss Diet Kit, we recommend starting your morning with 1 candy and a glass of water. At lunchtime, take 2 candies and drink 2 glasses of water. And finally, in the evening, take 1 candy and a glass of water to help control your appetite and reduce your calorie intake.
The level of satisfaction is total. I thought that losing 10 kilos in 2 months was going to be impossible, but in 2 months, I lost already 12 kilos. It is very easy, and you can carry your candies everywhere. There are no restrictions. Just take 1 candy 30 minutes before the launch, and it will help you reduce your weight easily.
Swiss Diet Kit is a unique weight loss system called intuitive nutrition developed in Switzerland. This graph, called a satiagram, maps your hunger levels throughout the day. Here's what a normal lunch looks like. You start feeling hungry an hour or 2 before lunch, but once you eat, you feel full. Now imagine, when you start feeling hungry, you eat a Swiss Diet Kit instead. You will feel half full before your meal, so by the time you're ready to eat, you'll eat less, without feeling hungry or deprived. The Swiss Diet Kit is available in cherry, peach, and strawberry. Rich in vitamins that provide extra benefits. Made with care and precision in the heart of Switzerland. Our team of experts has crafted this weight loss solution with the highest quality standards. Swiss-made weight loss solution that delivers results. Not only does it work, but the Swiss Diet Kit has also won multiple awards, such as Best Diet Product and Top Innovation, and was even nominated for the Oscars. Eat less without feeling hungry, completely natural, so easy, tasty, and so practical. Take advantage of this unique limited time offer before it's too late. But wait, if you call now, you can buy 2 months supply and we will give you 1 extra month totally free of charge. Not only has it been clinically proven that, on average, participants lose more than 3 kilograms in a single month with the Swiss Diet Kit, but it is also 100% natural, gluten-free, vegetarian, and gelatin-free, making it suitable for individuals with Class 1 diabetes and dietary restrictions. The Swiss Diet Kit not only trains your brain to consume the correct quantity of food that your body truly requires, but it also prevents any yo-yo effects.
The advantage is that it is only a small candy to be used with a glass of water that you can take with you everywhere, and you can take it anytime during the day. It's tasty. I will highly recommend Swiss Diet Kit. The results are incredible, is an exceptional product. I am taking 1 Swiss Diet Kit 30 minutes before the meal with a glass of water, and it is helping me to control my appetite and reduce my food portions. The taste is amazing.
The Swiss Diet Kit is super easy to use, completely natural, and 100% made in Switzerland. All you have to do is take 1 or 2 chews 30 to 40 minutes before a meal with a large glass of water. The dietary fibers inside the Swiss Diet Kit will expand in your stomach, making you feel full, so you're only eating half of what you would usually eat. The Swiss Diet Kit is easy, convenient, and tastes so good.
The average participant losing over 3 kilograms in a month with the Swiss Diet Kit. So practical and easy. Have it at home, on the go, and even while traveling. Call now. You can buy 2 months supply and we will give you 1 extra month totally free of charge. The weight loss program everyone has been dreaming of. Lose weight without even feeling like you're on a diet.